This election is not for me, but for the people of the United States of America. The people of America need a change in the land, and I will risk my own life for the people of the U.
Go Democrats.
Yes. I agree with Mr. Obama. They need me.
They need someone who they can relate to. Nay.
The results are in. The winner is Barack Hussein Obama.
Thank you, Jesus.
Wah, I lost.